0, 1. Let's get started.
Welcome to my channel. If you like to grow, you like to know, or you want to just come and hang out, go ahead and press that like and subscribe button so you can be notified each and every time I go live or upload a brand new video. Now, I hope you enjoy today's video. Hey YouTube family, it's Kaysa from Totally Designs, and I'm here to do a short mini haul video from a place called Matt's Crazy Art. Matt's Crazy Art. MATT' Crazy Art. You can find Matt on the YouTube channel. All you have to do is just type in the name. He'll come right up. He does shows, I think, at least 4 times a week. And he is one of the people that I go to buy a lot of my stones from. He's very, very knowledgeable, and he's very honest. If he doesn't know what something is, he finds out what it is. But for the most part, he pretty much knows what each stone is. Now, he goes around to the various gem shows and he picks up these beautiful stones. And it's really, really good because I can't get to all these gemstones shows, right? And so what I really love is he has a wide variety and range of gemstones from, 6mm to these big gigantic stones that maybe about 60mm, and so it's really, really nice. But let me go ahead and get started with the video. So let me show you what I first purchased. I purchased lapis lazuli. Now, one of the things about this you need to know is that you can easily confuse lapis lazuli for jasper, okay, or sodalite. Many people think that it is either jasper or sodalite, and because they are so similar in pattern and just how they look, if you don't know your stones, you will confuse them. So these are beautiful hearts. I can make a total of 2 pair of earrings and 2 necklaces out of this if I chose to, or I can just simply make these into beautiful bracelets just by using these as charms. Okay, now I want to show you what the jasper looks like in comparison to the lapis lazuli. So as you notice, if you put them closer together, they do look alike, but this is picture jasper, okay? And it took me a while to be able to distinguish between the two. It's really a trip, but as you get familiar with the stones, you'll be able to determine what's what. And guys, I haven't really done a stone haul before. And if I have, it's like I'll say maybe one time. So I wanted to show you this, okay? The next I got were these beautiful quartz. These are rose quartz. I can either make earrings out of them, or I can make them into necklaces, whichever I choose. And I'm not sure what I want to do yet. And I can also use them as charms hanging off of a beautiful bracelet. All right. Now, he gave me a free gift. This is called chert. Now, I'm not familiar with chert. It is spelled Chert. And this is an arrowhead. So, basically I can wrap this and make this into a beautiful necklace hanging off of a leather cord or a regular chain or sword, right? So this is, again, called chert. It is some type of calcium or something. It's something like that. But it is spelled Chert. Okay, and if you know anything about this, hey, leave it in the chat. I'll be glad to look at what you have found. Now, this is good old amethyst. Now, what the thing with amethyst is, You can mistake it for fluorite, and you can also mistake fluorite for amethyst. So you got to be very, very careful, like when you're looking at the different stones. Now, what I am going to recommend is that you download an app called Rock Finder or Rock Identifier, not Rock Finder, Rock Identifier. And what it does, it shows you the type of stone that you have. All you do is put it upward and it takes a picture, it captures the picture, and then it searches the database for whatever is similar to what you have uploaded, and it tells you the type of stone that you are looking at or you have in your possession. Okay, now again, there is no kickback I get from Rock Identifier. I just love it because when I go to like gem shows and they might be telling me something is quartz and it doesn't look like quartz to me, I could take out that Rock Identifier and it will show me exactly what it is I'm purchasing. All right, you can download it on your iPad or your iPhone or your Android. Okay, just go into your Google Play Store or your Apple Store. Okay, all right, now these are howlet. Now these howlets are a little bit more faceted, which means a smoother surface. These are hearts. I love them. Don't know what I'm going to do with them yet, but they'll most likely be earrings. Okay, this is agate. Now guys, this type of agate, agate comes in many different forms and many different colors. There's dyed agate, there's the, regular agate, raw agate. Now, with this particular agate, it does have like hues of white and hues of tan and beige going throughout of it. It almost looks as if it's champagne color. Okay, but I'm going to put it up like that. Okay, now these are really fun. Now, he also gave me a free Imperial Jasper stone. Okay. And then I have one more. And that is a quartzite. 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 It's a quartz. It's just, a different form of a quartz. Smaller. Okay, guys. Now, he also gave me these right here. These are Petrokey is the name of it. It's a different type of stone, y'all. I never have really heard of it. Don't know that much about it. I had to look it up to make sure that that's what it was. Now, this also looks jasper, and I think that might be another name for it, but don't quote me. Just kind of look it up for yourself. But anyway, guys, this has been my haul for Matt's crazy art. Now, also, he sent me some candy because that's just what Matt does. He always sends me candy. He gives me free stuff, which I really appreciate it. So it's like he got some Starbucks in here, Starburst, a Milky Way. I don't eat Milky Way, and then that. I want to say thank you to all my new subscribers and my returning subscribers. Thank you so much for coming by and watching my channel. Again, guys, I did do a break in the 4th of July jewelry, but I'll be back to it because I'm going to get to some painting. Just bear with me, and I'm going to be getting back to that really, really soon, probably sometime this week. But I did want to go ahead and get out a video for you guys. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and as always, happy beading.